Here we have three meerkats. The meerkat stands about 10 to 14 inches tall head to toe. Their tails can reach up to 10 inches long and usually weigh about 1 to 2 pounds. The three meerkats here look out from a sandy dune. One of the meerkats is coming out of the burrow on all four legs, but then once it starts to look out, it shifts to the two back hind legs. Meerkats are found in 4 different countries such as South Africa, Botswana, Namibia, and Angola. They typically live in areas such as arid deserts, Kalahari Desert, open plains, savannas, and dry scrublands. They are most commonly found in Botswana and in the Kalahari Desert. In the wild, meerkats live in open, predator-heavy environments where threats such as eagles, snakes, and jackals are constant. One of the largest threats they have is south in the African savanna is the Meridal eagle, up to 8.5 feet wingspan, exceptional vision, and near silent hunting dives at incredible speeds of over 140 miles an hour. The Meridal bird has distinctive spotting but tragically faces endangerment due to habitat loss. In the hot, dry African sun, the meerkats dig the burrows for protection. The burrows help them survive and hide against predators like the Meridal eagle, extreme heat, and to keep them warm at night. Not only do they use the burrows for protection, but they use it to raise their young. They work in groups to create their homes and use their two front claws to dig through the African savanna.
One of the main sources of food for meerkats is the insects in the African savanna. They eat a wide range of foods such as beetles, grasshoppers, small snakes, and lizards while being insectivores. The dung beetles are easy to find and they're full of nutrients, and they move at a slow pace, making it relatively easy for meerkats to catch. This adult meerkat has a large lizard in its hand that it is eating. The meerkat uses its sharp teeth to pull through the meat. The meerkat is very small but uses its claws and teeth to eat small reptiles. Another behavior that scientists observed are meerkats' sentinel behaviors, which are actions taken by individuals or groups to monitor and protect their environment. Through these observations, scientists are able to know more about meerkats' behaviors in the wild. There have been several observational studies showcasing how meerkats are often used as a model organism behavior due to their cooperative breeding and feeding as well as community guarding. The Kalahari Meerkat Project and the University of Zurich in Switzerland have published many field studies on meerkats and their behaviors. Through the collection of long-term data between the years of 1997 and 2017, researchers were able to discover that meerkats started acting as sentinel around 200 days of age. They are heavily influenced by older generations of meerkats. The main hypothesis for this study is that both large group sizes and individuals are able to shape their sentinel behavior during their juvenile, and how their calls can depend on adult patterns. This behavior is important because it showcases the altruistic behaviors in the species, which is necessary for the survival of the group as a whole.
Meerkats are some of the most cooperative mammals in the animal kingdom. One of their most important behaviors is the lookout behavior. Their cooperative lookout system allows one individual to stand guard while others forage, giving the group an early warning and greatly reducing the risk of being hunted, which is why this behavior is the most important to the animal in its natural habitat.
It seems like every species in modern day is being plagued by a threat of climate change, and the meerkat population are no different. Since this is the biggest anthropogenic threat to their species, they are native to the Kalahari Desert in southwest Africa, so meerkats are no strangers to dry, arid climates. However, within the recent years, it has seemed that these temperatures have gotten too dry for these populations. Many of the times they are faced with fires that destroy their habitat. These fires affect them and decrease their population, as there is little change being made to protect them. The meerkats must fight to save themselves. When humans are fighting these fires, they extract their local water sources. During high tourist times, many of the meerkats are exposed to diseases that unfortunately end up killing them.